Hey guys, and welcome to another video. This is the Motul 7100 and I'm going to be putting it in my Pulsar 135 LS, which is an air-cooled executive commuter from a few years ago. So let's see how it goes. If you want to see a video on the Power and Ultimate, I have made a video. You can click that link. It'll go to that truth about the Power and Ultimate. Go ahead and check it. It's done using the Pulsar 135 LS, so it's a good video to watch. So now that this is clean, brake oil, engine flush, engine oil. This is the packing that goes here. If you all have reached this point of the video, you all must be really liking the video. So I'm going to show you all some pictures of how my bike looks like after the service. Here are some pictures. And don't worry, I'm going to be comparing this engine oil to the Castrol Power and Ultimate because I used that engine oil on the Pulsar 135 LS last year. So it's going to be a very good comparison. Of course, that was a lower grade in terms of it was a 10W40 or 20W40 and this is 20W50. So there will be slight differences there, but I will compare that. Also stay tuned for a surprise. A new two-wheeler is going to be joining my garage very soon. By soon I mean tomorrow, kind of soon. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe if you haven't. Till then, ride safe, ride hard, always wear your helmet and enjoy. Motorcycles are great.